Today I am going to show you how to get a SSL certificate for your WordPress website for free. Plus I will cover what it is and why you need it. Hey there, this is Chilavar, where we teach all about WordPress website, free domain, free hosting, AdSense program, free website traffic generated, and many more, so you can grow your website and reach your audience, and also you can earn from your work. So if you are new here to my channel, subscribe this channel Chilavar, and also press this bell icon to join the notification squad and get the latest update from this channel Chilavar. If you are seeing this type of messages when you are visiting website, so if you are getting this type of message when you visit the website, this means this website is not secure or they didn't validate their SSL certificate. Today I will teach you how to get a valid certificate for a free. I will tell you importance of this SSL certificate at the last of this video. To get a free SSL certificate, move to your web browser and search Cloudflare. Click on this first link, the Web Performance and Security Company. I will add this link in the description of this video so that you can find this easily. If you have already an account, you can log in from here, and if you didn't create account yet, click on this sign up. Now enter your email address, then create a strong password, and store this password somewhere. You need every time you back to log in this website. Then click on this create account. Before you add your website, go to your Gmail inbox. You will get the mail from this Cloudflare. If you can't get this mail in your inbox, you can visit your spam folder. After getting this mail from this Cloudflare, open this mail. Then you will get a link for the verified your email ID. Click on this link. Now we will log in our Cloudflare account by using this email ID and the password we have stored before. Cloudflare email address is verified successfully. You will get this option add site on your dashboard. Click on this add site. Then type your website URL. Mail from Cloudflare. After successfully activate your DNS server name. After getting this DNS server name, you can check your website if you have a valid SSL certificate which will give you by this Cloudflare, and not secure status will be removed from your website. You can check that after getting this status successfully. If you have any problem regarding this, you can directly message me in this Instagram account Tilavar2054. First of all, completely watch this fully video and follow all the steps shown in this video, and after that, if you have any problem regarding this video And regarding these some of the steps, if you have some confusion, you can directly message me in my Instagram account tlover2054. I will respond your message as soon as possible, and I will try to give my best to help you. There are several benefits to add SSL certificate on your site. I think you don't know about that. Google will show you website that doesn't have SSL certificate as not secure to user. In fact, this is my website, I don't have an SSL certificate installed. This is what it show, and if you are like a lot of people, when you see something like that, it really reduces the trust for your website, and so you really want to remove that barrier. Plus, Google has started to make secure website more of the ranking factor, meaning if you don't have SSL certificate on your website, then you might not rank as high as you could otherwise. So quickly, what is SSL certificate? Well, it's basically SSL mean stand for secure socket layer, and it just mean it's internet protocol for securing the data that is transferred from the person browser who's viewing your website to server. So it's complete a secure encryption process, so nobody else can see what's going on. So I think you had understand all the portions and all about this SSL certificate, why you need this SSL certificate to grow your website. Now I will stop this video here. Till this moment, if you didn't subscribe this channel, subscribe this channel and also press this bell icon to join the notification squad and get all the latest upload from this channel. This much for today. I will see you in next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.